Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be talking about 3 lakh plus free certification courses. It includes technical as well as non-technical certification courses. So let's get started.
So on a screen you can see I have opened a website called as a Mindluster, and in Mindluster you can see there are like 3 lakh online courses with free certificates in a one place. So if I want to do a Java certification, what I will do, I will just add a Java here and search. So it will give me the results for Java. So there are multiple courses for Java which are available, like Java Basic for beginners, Java Eclipse, GUI for beginners, then Java DSA interview preparation, like this. And if you see on the right side, the trends are there, like introduction to cybersecurity, Python for AI beginners. So these are like multiple courses which are available. So if I click on any of the course, let's say Java Basic for beginners, it will open the course page, that is a landing page. And one more thing, that you will see a many ads here. It's because you are getting a free certification for like all the technology as well as non-technical courses. So if I go down, you see there are number of lessons like 115 and for free certificate after you complete the course. So if I go down, I can see there are like lessons which are like 115 lessons, and all are from basic to advanced for Java. Now, if I want to join the course, I can just log in or sign up on the website and then join the course. So this is how you can just join the course, and once you do a course, you will get the certificate. And to search the courses, we can just either use a home page, or we can just go to the categories, and it will open up a page with the different categories. So if I go down, you can see there are like category as well as how many courses are there for that particular category. So it's like 7,000 plus courses for programming, then we have a 387 courses for business, then these are some non-technical like woman and beauty, then after that kitchen and cooking, technology, digital marketing, humanities, web design, artificial intelligence, and many more. So you can choose your niche, and according to that you can just click on a course, and you can just open that course and do the course. And after the course completion, you will get the certificate. So this is how you can get a free certification course using this Mindluster. And you can also choose like how many lessons you have to do. So if you want to do a course in a less time, you can just check how many lessons are there for that particular course, and you can just use those lessons and do that course. So if you see, these are the 9 lessons, these are the 4 lessons, so I'll go with this course, like that. So this is how you can do a certification for technical as well as non-technical courses.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, then drop them in comment section. Thank you.